If you've ever wondered how to create stunning lifelike images, like the ones you just saw with just a few clicks, you're in the right place. Welcome to AI Dynamo, where we talk about everything that has to do with artificial intelligence for everyone to learn and earn. Today, we will be looking into something super fascinating, which is generating realistic images using Bing AI. Sit tight, because this is going to be an exciting step-by-step guide you won't want to miss. Bing AI is a powerful tool developed by Microsoft that uses artificial intelligence to generate stunning and incredibly realistic images. It's perfect for artists, content creators, and anyone who needs high-quality visuals without spending hours drawing or editing. And the best part? It's extremely easy to use. Let me show you how you can use this tool. First things first, to access Bing AI, simply go to bing.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It is free and easy to create. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard on the image creation section, where all the magic happens. Now, let's create our very first image. Click on the Create Image button. This will open up a new window like this, where you can input your image prompt. In the text box, type in a detailed description of the image you want to create. For example, you can create a simple image with this simple prompt. Realistic and stunning image of a beautiful 28-year-old fair-skinned lady with stunning short afro hair tied in a ponytail, dressed in sporty attire, holding a hiking stick, looking at the beautiful landscape around her, on a mountain trail background. Wait for your image generation to complete. Wow! See how stunning our first image looks. The more detailed you are, the better the result. We will have to try another image with another simple prompt, like this one. Disney Pixar style of a beautiful 30-year-old medium-skinned lady with stunning vintage pinup hairstyle, wearing cat eye glasses, dressed in a retro 1950s outfit, writing in a notebook, looking in the book she is writing, in a classic diner background. This image looks awesome and amazing indeed. Now, let's guide you to generate your own image. Get your prompt and go ahead to create your own stunning image. But before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to AI Dynamo for more awesome AI tips and tricks. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss an update. Now let's continue. Got your prompt ready? Just like this one. Design a vibrant image of an African-American child laughing and playing in a sunny park with bright colors and dynamic motion. Awesome! Now, paste it on the prompt box like this, and hit the Generate button and let Bing AI work its magic. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. While we're waiting, here are some quick tips. Include detailed descriptions of the elements you want in the image. Add adjectives to convey the mood, style, and atmosphere. Specify the color scheme and lighting to guide the AI in creating a visually appealing image. Describe the setting, the environment, and context to give the image a cohesive feel. And voila! Here it is. Our beautiful, realistic image of an African-American child laughing and playing in a sunny park with bright colors and dynamic motion. How cool is that? But wait, we're not done yet. Once you are satisfied with the result, click on the download button to save the image to your device. You can use it for your projects, social media, or just admire your AI-generated images. If you are not satisfied with the result, keep trying different prompts to get the perfect image of your choice. Bing AI allows for 15 credits each day, so have fun with it. And that's it. You've just created a realistic image using Bing AI in just a few simple steps. Now, let's go over the steps again. 1. Head to the Bing AI website and log in or sign in if you don't have an account. 2. Click on Create Image. 3. Enter a detailed description. 4. Hit Generate and wait for your image. 5. Download and enjoy your creation. See how easy that was? With Bing AI, generating realistic images like these has never been easier. Bing AI is a fantastic tool for generating high-quality and realistic images quickly and effortlessly. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI tutorials like this, and share this video with your friends who might find it helpful too. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss an AI update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. You may also click on the link in the description to get easy access to Bing AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.